It has been established that persons who have recently died have been returning to life and committing acts of murder. A widespread investigation of funeral homes, morgues, and hospitals has concluded that the unburied dead have been returning to life and seeking human victims. It's hard for us here to be reporting this to you, but it does seem to be a fact.
This is Jimmy Caldwell.
John Wagner.
We're at Club Blues 2, Midvale Speedway Thrash Bash.
6th year.
We've been out here 11 years, and yeah.
Are you okay?
Killer track. I'm out. Experience it.
What's wrong with you?